Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting decimals. So I've got two sample problems that we're going to work through, and we're going to talk about how to make sure that we've got things lined up. So our first one is 3 25/100 plus 9 7/10. So I've written that down here, and as you can see, my decimals are lined up, just like my ones place is lined up and my tenths place is lined up. So that leaves me with an empty space here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with a 0 because I know that 7/10 is equivalent to 70/100. And then I'm going to add them just like I would if they were whole numbers. But I have to make sure that I bring my decimal down as well. So 5, 9. I know that 3 25/100 plus 9 7/10 adds to equal 12 95/100. So we're going to try a subtraction one as well. I've got 17 983 thousandths plus 6 2/10. So I've stacked these, and you can see I've lined up my decimal. So I'm going to fill in my zeros because 2/10 and 200 thousandths are equivalent. And then I'm going to subtract just like I'm dealing with whole numbers. Okay. And I get 11 783 thousandths. So it's just like dealing with whole numbers. The only thing you need to think about is making sure that your decimal is lined up, just like you would line up your place value spots in whole numbers. So I'm going to give you two questions for you to try on your own. You got 7 2/10 plus 15 96/100, and then you've got 27 62/100 minus 3 5/10. Go ahead and try to solve those on your extra piece of paper beside your video form.